What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this smartwatch. You can see we have Alexa built-in smartwatch, and it's basically for sports or any form of those activity when you want to watch to basically wear and go out for casual. So I'm just going to unbox it. I think I see basically what's inside. Just going to unbox it out now. So we have a card right here, and then we have watch right here, looking pretty neat. This is how it basically looks. So what else inside the package? Also we have the USB cable, the watch right here, the USB port right here, and this part which is gonna plug onto the watch. Also in the package we have the user manual right here. This is where you basically scanned it, and this is the Very Fit app, which you can download from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. And it looking pretty neat. And guys, for this to basically boot up at first, you must basically plug it in first for it to basically boot up. So here I have the charger right here. I'm just gonna give it some amount of juice. So you have a magnetism right here. You can basically stick. Now you can plug this part into a USB connection. So it's plugged in right now, as you can see. So this will be enable it to boot up. So I'm gonna press the button right here, and you can see you can scan the Verify app to download it from the Play Store, which is gonna give you access to the watch right here. And you can scan this using your mobile phone to basically download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Alright guys, so I'm gonna scan it right now with my mobile device right here. So I'm gonna bring up the camera up. So this is up guys, so you can just basically open it. I already downloaded the app. Alright, so I'm gonna add my device right now to the mobile device right here. So I'm trying to add a device. So you're basically searching right now for the device. And as you can see, this is the name of the device right here. ID19, which is perfect one right here. I'm gonna click on this, and it should basically pair up to it. So I'm gonna pair it. As you can see, allow, and Bluetooth basically successfully connected. You can basically control it from the mobile device right here. So this is how the mobile app basically look guys. You have the home right here. We can see all those health activity. We can do exercise. You can see the watch device right here where you can download different faces, as you can basically scroll through and see more function of the watch right here. And this is basically a profile to see basic settings of the watch, which the watch right here, which looking really great as well. You can change the watch face and this right here by scrolling across to see different time faces. And also we can see the menus, which basically on the watch right here. And the build quality of this is really great. That's how the watch look on my hand right here, looking very neat. Now the thing I love about this is when it goes on raise like that, it will basically rise to wake. As you can basically see, it's looking really great. I'm loving it, and hope you find this video very helpful.